some of your... Let's learn how to delete a photo album from an iPhone. If you want to delete an album but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Photos app is updated. You can check if Photos is updated in the App Store. Once you're sure the app is updated, you need to open it. When you open the Photos app, you'll be on a page with some of your photo albums. On this page, you need to click on the blue See All option in the top right corner. After clicking that option, a page with all your albums will open. On that page, you'll have several options, but you need to click on the Edit option in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that option, a red option will appear in the top left corner of each album. When this option appears, you need to find the album you want to delete. After finding that album, you need to click on the red option in the top left corner of that album. When you click on it, a prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the album. If you're sure you want to delete the album, click on the Delete option. After clicking Delete, you have successfully deleted the album. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.